Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Dropbox app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll remove the app from the phone. Great. Now that I'm done, look for this app called Google Play Store, that is Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and here activate search. If you don't see the search bar, you should see a search icon here. If you tap on it, now you can search for your app by name. Just search like that, and here we go. Here is our app. Now tap on it first to see details about the app. You want to ensure that it is from Dropbox Inc., that is Dropbox Incorporation, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 2 million reviews. So it has a lot of reviews, and currently this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times, and the average size is around 51 MBs. So if you see these details, you have the right app, and this is the logo and the tagline, files and cloud storage. To get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Dropbox app and finally install it on your phone. You can open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you should see the app. This is the welcoming logo. You can now go ahead, create your account or log into your account if you already have an existing account. So that's how you can install the right Dropbox app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.